Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a nano tape balloon. This is the first time I heard about making nano tape balloon. So let's test it and let's see if it's real. So let's start. So I'm gonna take a piece of nano tape. So I took 3 pieces. That 3 pieces, I'm gonna stick it together. It's a bit hard to peel them. So I peeled 2 pieces. So now I'm going to show you to peel the last one. So now I peel it. Now we're going to add the straw. So now we're gonna be adding the glitter. Look at that amazing glitter. Now let's add it. Now once you add the glitter, now close it tightly and press it with your nails every sides. The nano tape is stuck to the floor. It's so hard to peel them. Now press it with your nails. That lines, just cut it. I'm just going to make it tighter. Now, time for a blowing. Look at that! It's becoming bigger and bigger. So our nanotape balloon is ready. Look at that. It's so big. This huge nanotape balloon. So I am going to be drawing eyes, eyebrows, smiley face, and nose. Look at that. So cute. If you like my video, please put like, share, subscribe. Thank you. I hope you like my nanotape balloon. Isn't it great? See you next time. Bye.